The current ratio is calculated by dividing your current assets by your current liabilities and provides you with a ratio that shows a relationship between the two. Both can be found in the statement of financial position discussed in the previous slide. If current assets are greater than current liabilities, then this means the business is in a healthy shape as it has the ability to pay back any short-term financial commitments. However, if the ratio is less than 1:1, then this indicates that the business has less current assets than it has current liabilities, and therefore may struggle to repay its short-term obligations. Using the information from the previous balance sheet, let's put some numbers to this formula. The business has current assets of £175,000 and current liabilities of £140,000. When you divide these following the current ratio formula, you get an answer of 1.25 to 1. Therefore, this shows that the business has 1.25 current assets for every one liability, meaning that the business has enough current assets to cover its short-term financial obligations, putting it in a relatively healthy position.